So I was watching a video about modern cars and all the features that they have, the driver aids, driver assists, and all the stuff that's going on in modern cars, the technology and sort of synthetic thinking that cars have in them these days, cameras and sensors and stuff, and all sorts of stuff which is supposed to make drive experience better and safer for us. But one of the things that they're talking about in this video was that all of this complexity affects reliability of cars, but also can sometimes affect safety. And one of those things is lane assist, because if you're driving a vehicle with lane assist, okay, now this vehicle is lane assist, this is a Dodge Charger. If you want to change to this lane, you have to put your turn signal on so that it will allow you to do that. If you do not put your turn signal on, it will fight you and keep you between these lines. Okay, that's the idea with lane assist or lane keep, whatever. Now we have this situation here. Got the guy in the Blazer in the slow lane driving slow. This guy in the Mustang is speeding. Okay, so he comes up on the Blazer at the last minute, notices that the Blazer is going slow and he's going to collide with it, and he does this. Okay, now if you don't swerve at this point, you collide with him. So what you need to do to avoid this accident is move into that lane, and then at that point have a discussion with him. Maybe. Now the problem with what just happened there is that as he did that, you need to straight away get out of his way. You didn't have time to put on your turn signal. Okay, so he's going to do this. A lane assist is going to keep going straight, and you're going to end up with that because you didn't have time to put your turn signal on. And lane assist or keep lane or whatever it's called kept you in this lane. It would not let you swerve out the way of this guy in the Mustang who suddenly did this to avoid doing this to the guy in the Chevy Blazer. You know, you could rear end him. If he hits him like that, he flips him over like that. You know, it's a mess. So he swerves, and then you hit him like that, and that's the result, because you didn't have time to put your turn signal on and avoid the accident by moving into the fast lane like that. So is this lane assist a good thing? Or if you're not aware of the fact that you've got to, within a tenth of a second, put on your turn signal at this point to avoid this guy so that you can swerve around him, otherwise the car doesn't allow you to, you're in trouble. So I don't think I'd ever want a car with lane assist or keep lane or whatever it's called, because I've lost track of the number of times that I have had to do this around somebody who did that. Or there's no vehicle here at all. This guy in the Chevy driving along and suddenly decides to do that. You have to go around him and you don't have a lot of time to do that. And if the car interferes, it's over. You're in a wreck. You know, because as you can see at that point, you hit him, he rolls, you roll. It's a disaster. You know, it's a serious wreck. You're doing at 55 miles an hour. When you have that collision, it's over. It's a bad day for everybody. Your cars are going to be totaled. Hopefully you're wearing your seatbelt and the airbags work and that sort of stuff, and you get to walk away from it. But you know, if there's loose objects in the car that get flung around when it rolls like that, you get serious injuries from the contents of the car that are in the back, which get tumbled around in the car. You know, as it rolls like that, it rolls along. Anything weighing 10 pounds is going to outlive you at that point, and it smacks you in the noggin. The car wrecks are bad events. Lots of things go wrong, and you don't have to be going fast for it to happen. So this idea that this guy could do this and I can't avoid him because I don't have time to put on my turn signal, I believe it is a real problem. Please comment in the comment section below your thoughts on that. But that's what I've heard people say and complain about, because the car will actually physically fight you to keep you in the lane, because it's unaware of this danger that you're trying to avoid, and you don't have much control over the situation because the car's in control. Yeah, interesting thought. So that's going to end this video. It was an interesting one. It was inspired by something I watched a day ago, and they talked about all sorts of stuff, but I thought this lane assist thing was a really thought-provoking sort of topic, because you know it could get you into trouble there. And we're going to wrap it up here. I think I've run out of thoughts. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Have an awesome day further, and I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Alrighty, bye.